To pay with a Doordash Red Card. Start by understanding what the card is and its benefits. The Doordash Red Card is a prepaid card provided by DoorDash to its dashers, allowing them to pay for customer orders at various restaurants and stores. First, ensure you have received and activated your Red Card from DoorDash. If you have not received your card, contact DoorDash support for assistance. Once you have the card, download the DoorDash app and log into your account. To pay with the Red Card, open the DoorDash app and navigate to the order you want to pay for. Select the Red Card as your payment method and the app will prompt you to confirm the payment. When using the Red Card, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account. You can check your balance in the DoorDash app or on the DoorDash website. If your balance is low, you may need to wait for your next deposit from DoorDash. When paying with the Red Card at a store or restaurant, inform the cashier that you will be using the DoorDash Red Card. They may ask for the card and your phone to verify the payment. It is essential to keep your Red Card and account information secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions. Do not share your card details with anyone and keep your account login credentials confidential. In case of any issues with your Red Card, such as a declined payment or lost card, contact DoorDash support immediately for assistance. They will guide you through the process of resolving the issue and getting back to delivering orders. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently use your DoorDash Red Card to pay for customer orders and enjoy a seamless delivery experience. Remember to always check your balance and keep your account information secure to avoid any problems.